Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be exposing my full meme coin deving strategy live on camera. The exact method that I use to make hundreds of thousands of dollars from creating meme coins instead of trading them. And look, I know a lot of people watching this have already tried trading meme coins and know exactly how frustrating it is. You do everything right. You find a coin early, you buy the coin, but the coin dumps and you lose your entire position. But the truth is that the devs are making hundreds of thousands of dollars while the traders are losing a bunch of money. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to find a narrative, how to launch it, how to make a meme coin, how to cash out. Everything will be done in this video. Real profits, a live example, everything done for free. Let's go. And yes, bro, I've made my entire port from deving meme coins. I know what I'm talking about, and I am not here to sell you anything. I'm just here to expose the method. Now look, trading meme coins is a losing game. All these coins that are being launched on chain will just go to zero after they pump. I can show you hundreds of different coins, and most of the time the chart will pump and then dump, okay? And that's because of two things. The first thing is that these meme coins hold no value. The only thing they have is temporary attention. That's why they pump and then they dump. But the second thing is because of the devs. The devs are selling their supply from the very top and they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars just from dumping the coin, and they have nothing to lose because it costs nothing to create coins. I am a dev myself and I risk nothing on all my coins. So for example, you can have all this upside and you are risking nothing. You can launch coins over and over again, and when one coin goes viral, you are paid. Now, in this video, I will show you exactly how to create a meme coin, dev it, launch it, cash out, okay? Everything will be explained and done in this video, and I will even do a real launch to show you how it's done from my perspective. Let's get straight into it, bro. Let's get straight to the money. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research, and yeah, bro, let's go. Cap. Now, before we create a coin, I need to tell you exactly where to launch your meme coin on, because most people are confused on where to launch. Now, do not fall in the trap that most devs make, and that is launching on Pump.Fun hoping to make money. The truth is that you will not make any money from launching on Pump.Fun, maybe a couple bucks, but not more than $100 because it's over competitive. It's hard to get your meme coin to go viral and to get attention. On top of that, Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and they take a cut from your creator fees, so I would highly recommend to not launch here. Look at this, every single second there's one new coin coming out. Like, bro, just stop, don't launch here. Instead, launch on the Raydium DEX. By launching on Raydium, you are going to be reaching a wider audience and your coins are going to get way more results and just more volume in general. I cannot guarantee that your coin can go viral. It can, but I cannot guarantee anything, but it can get a shit ton of buyers. Like, look at this coin is recently migrated 1 minute ago and it's already at a 60k market cap. That's why I launched my coins in the migrated section. It's the same thing as Raydium basically. Now, to launch here, you have to be using creatememes.io. It's the best launchpad for Raydium. A bunch of people actually use this launchpad to launch the Raydium. That's why it's being gatekept and that's why I highly recommend it. Now, making a meme coin is extremely easy. You have two different ways to make one. You can either create a coin from scratch. So if you go online, right, you can actually go and find narratives like news-based narratives or just communities, and you can turn those into coins, or you can copy meme coins that are already working on chain. For example, every single coin that you see here is going viral on Pump.Fun and is getting some sort of traction. Like this coin right here, it's pumping on Pump.Fun right now, which means we can copy a coin here, relaunch it to Raydium, and get a shit ton of buyers by using these viral narratives. This is exactly how I built most of my portfolio. But now it's time for the part of the video where I do a live dev and I show you how it's done from scratch. Now, connect your phantom wallet, right? That's the first step. And then now look for a coin to copy. I usually, when I approach this method, I copy any coin. I just go randomly, so I'm gonna go for, I just choose one randomly. I'm gonna go for core, right? Click on copy the Raydium. Your phantom will show up, right? Just ignore the warning. It's completely safe and normal. Okay, every launchpad will get this warning. Then click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and the coin will be created shortly. Just wait. And then, oh, hello. Boom. And if you go on SoulScan, you don't have to, by the way, but if you come here, you guys can see that it is live on chain. Okay, it's legit. And yeah, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create and supply the liquidity pool. Like that, it will go to Raydium. Okay, unlike Pump.Fun, your coin will migrate and reach a bunch of people. Now for the amount of coins right here, click on 90%. 900 million tokens is what I do for all my meme coins. It is the perfect amount of supply. For your dev buy right here, this is where you will be buying your own coin with your own soul, and you will be getting some supply for yourself as a dev. Like that, you can make money when the coin goes up. That is the whole point, right? You need to put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 soul. You're not going to lose this. If you want this back, you can at any moment. It is not a fee, not a loss, nothing. And then now click on create pool, and the pool should show up right here, or the phantom, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the core coin is live. Your P&L is going to show up right there, by the way. And if you want to see how much show up on your coin, you can always check by clicking on refresh once again. And as you guys can see, now we are up $240, and your coin is live on Raydium. People are now able to buy your coin, and yeah, bro, this profit at the very beginning is a good sign that people like your narrative. Now obviously, go on Photon, go on Axum, go wherever you want, right? It's up to you, and the coin should be live. Bang, you guys can see that the chart should start going up. It should explode soon. More and more people are going to start seeing your coin and then ape in. And guys, these are all random people buying in organically. Okay, our marketing, okay, is purely from Raydium and purely from copying coins that has a viral narrative. So people should automatically be attracted to buying our coin. Look at this, we're already up 800 bucks, and it has been less than a minute. I'm gonna let this coin ride. I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and we are at a $17,000 market cap. That is the power of Create, Memes.io, and Raydium. Look at this, it's so strong. Now let's cash out. Come back to Create, Memes.io, and then obviously, bro, click on refresh to see how much we're up. And as you guys can see, damn, we're almost up $3,000 on this meme coin. That is insane. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, right? That is really important. You can do less if you want, it's up to you. I highly recommend to just remove all at once. Remove liquidity, and then wait. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, I just devved the coin and I cashed out. Now look, if I open my phantom wallet, bang, the money is there, it's legit, it's in my phantom wallet because it is a phantom transaction, so it goes directly inside your phantom wallet. That is almost 40 Solana from one meme coin in like 20 to 30 minutes. Well, no, it's like 15 minutes, right? It's all for educational purposes only, but if you want to start diving today, bro, create memes.io will be linked down below. Like and subscribe, and the whole point is to stay consistent, launch multiple coins every single day, and eventually when we go viral, it might make like up to like, you know, 6 figures, 10k, I don't know, bro, but good luck.